In this video, I'll show you how to create a discount code on Gumroad, a great way to boost sales and attract more customers. Start by visiting gumroad.com and logging into your account. The quickest way is using Google Sign-In, which takes you straight to your dashboard. Next, head to the checkout section where you can manage discounts. Click on New Discount to begin creating your code. Give your discount a clear and memorable name. Something like Summer Deal or Launch Offer works well. You can also customize the actual code that customers will enter. Keep it short and easy to remember to encourage use. Then select which products the discount applies to. You can apply it to a single item or across your entire store if you want a site-wide promotion. Set the discount percentage, 10%, 20%, 50%, whatever fits your marketing plan and profit goals. Make sure it's appealing to customers, but still sustainable for your business. Finally, review all the details and click Add Discount to make it live. Your code is now ready for customers to use. Promote your discount via email, social media, or on your website to get the best results. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Gumroad discount code. In this video, I'll show you